While going through the lessons, friends, we will be doing the lessons practically, and I aim for you to learn the commands more efficiently on the models. Now, normally, you see, we have already covered the line command. Here, you see, we have a freehand tool. Our freehand tool is a part that allows us to draw freely, friends. What does free drawing mean? Normally, when I press and hold on any surface, I can also draw on a surface like this. Look, I'm not letting go, but what did we say is needed for a surface to form? These points need to connect. I brought the point exactly, connected it, let go, and my surface formed. With my push-pull tool here, I can lift this surface again, as you can see. The main idea with the freehand tool is not to let go of the line at the point where you first start. Honestly, when you let go, it stays where you left it. Normally, look, I made a drawing like this. I came and let's say I drew something like a lake or a pool. I left it here, and it formed here, friends. When I lift this as well, as you can see, I've made a drawing like this. Look, here is an offset. I have a command. Now, I'm explaining the commands in a mixed way, but since I will show the commands as an application, it will be more accurate for you to understand on an object, friends. Let's say this is the pool. Let's have a 10 centimeter section outside around the pool. So let's have a parapet section there. Look, when I select any surface in the offset section, friends, when I push it outward, look. It's creating another line from that one, friends. Look, it says 43 centimeters on the right side. This is for the part I produced. Let's make it 30 centimeters instead of 43. I pressed enter for 30. Look, friends, it has created another section of 30 centimeters outside. Now we're diving straight into the topic. Here, look, you have the push-pull tool. The push-pull tool has an arrow condition on it. This means to lift it up, friends. When I lift it up, it will give it a volume. Look, I lifted it up. What happened? Look, friends. Friends, I have created the part around the pool there. I saw the crypt. I saw the office. I saw the bush completely, friends. In fact, we have completed 25% of the program. Friends, we are continuing to complete it slowly, but on the right side, in the detachment part, we have very important parts and very fun parts. Friends, watch the lessons in order and apply the parts you watch. Friends, I made a pool here in freehand. You can do something else. Let me show you what it is. Look right now. Let's say I'm going to make a wall. Look, I took the rectangle command. With the rectangle command, I can draw anywhere on the surface, friends. Normally, look, I drew these to a point. I came here and left the drawing. Now, what was I using to rotate the screen? The command to rotate the screen appears when I press the middle button of the mouse. Look, the orbit command came up. I can rotate the screen like this, friends. I can navigate like this, friends, as you can see. Or with the pan button here, look, where's the pan? By pressing this pan button, I can move back and forth like this, friends. Friends, the spacebar acts as a command. For example, if you take a panel, normally there was a long bar on the keyboard called the spacebar. When you press the spacebar, it switches to the command, and when you press the middle mouse button, it goes to the orbit command. See this. Now I want to lift this part up, friends. This part is for the push-pull command. Look, I took the push-pull tool, lifted it up, and my wall was created. I want to make a break in part of the wall with freehand. Look, I took the freehand tool, friends. Look, I took it from this part over here. I'm just drawing randomly. Look, where will I use the freehand? Look, I brought it to this part. I took the push-pull tool, friends. I pushed. Did you see? For example, when I normally draw a bedroom wall, let's say in the bedroom, I'm just giving an example. When I colored this part with LEDs, I created a section behind the bedroom like this. It was a bit manual, but if we need to make a more standard classic drawing, let's switch to the freehand tool, guys. Look, since I'm going to do something like this behind the bedroom, let it come like this. You need to finish right at the very tip over there. There's such a fine detail, guys. You need to finish right at the wall. Look, I came here and finished. You can draw again for the unfinished part. Look like this. This part, when I push it slowly, guys, look, I can create a wall protrusion like this in the back. In a similar way, you can create detail elements like this by using different shapes, guys.